Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to remove your Toyota Corolla glove box. We will start by ensuring the glove box is completely empty. Then, open the glove box door fully. Look to the right side for the small damper arm. Gently unclip it from its attachment point. This initial step prepares the glove box for the next stages of removal, making the process much smoother and preventing any damage. Now, let's focus on the stopper tabs. These are small plastic pieces on the upper left and right sides of the glove box. To release them, gently push the sides of the glove box inward, towards the center. This action will allow the stopper tabs to clear their respective catches, letting the glove box swing down further. Take your time with this step to avoid forcing anything. With the stopper tabs released, the glove box should now hang lower. Double-check that the damper arm is completely detached. Next, gently lift the entire glove box assembly upward by about 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. This action will disengage the lower hinge pins from their slots. Once clear, pull the glove box straight out towards you to remove it completely from the dashboard. To reinstall your glove box, reverse the steps. First, align the 2 lower hinge pins with their corresponding slots in the dashboard and push them in. Then, gently push the sides of the glove box inward again to allow the stopper tabs to clear and snap back into place. Finally, reattach the damper arm to its connection point on the right side. Ensure everything is secure before closing the glove box.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.